Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got patio furniture to protect, check out these waterproof covers from Kylinlucky.
These covers are made from a super heavy duty polyester that is both water resistant as well as UV resistant, so it helps to keep your furniture nicely protected from all different types of weather. These come in a ton of different sizes, so you're sure to find one that's going to work for you. They have a couple of nice features, including these ties at the bottom to make sure that you have a really snug fit. They also have these breathable air vents on the back, so you know that this is not going to fly away if there is ever a strong wind. They're so fast and easy to put on your furniture, so it's really nice if you maybe get an alert that you're about to have a storm. You can quickly put these covers on in a matter of seconds and keep your furniture nice and clean and dry. So when you're using these covers, you can really tell that they were made with care. There's a lot of thought and detail that goes into them, including these handles, which make it really easy to get the covers on and off. And the stitching and seams are reinforced. There's this piping that makes them really strong and durable. And there's even straps to buckle everything securely in place around the legs.
So we are really happy with these covers, and that's my point of view.